What's good, y'all? HB Punching Profit. Just trying to annotate everything real quick. Time frame bullish. Okay. What's going on here? Text needs to be white. Alright. So, high time frame bullish. It seems like it's going to be high resistant though. And I need to get my stop and take profit up, but I'm trying to catch up with all this annotation too. Version. Let me get it up. Let's see. Background orange. Alright. I think this is going to push higher. I just don't know because it's a tricky week of trading if it's going to do it with my timing. So I probably will take profit up here at the swing high, even though I like to add at the advanced market structure shift. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if the timing is going to be proper. It's going to push higher. I just don't know it's going to be on my timing. So we got our inversion, as you can see. Let's do 3. Or advanced market structure shift is still pending. So 3, advanced market structure shift pending. We'll monitor it even if I take profit at the swing high. It's gonna be blue. So we don't know quite yet if we'll get that. There's a way to make these smaller. Put it down here. High time frame bullish. And 4 is our stop at swing low. Put that red. Oh, let me note that real quick. Or discretion. Yeah, high resistant trade, no fun. It is what it is though. Last thing is our take profit. 5, take profit 1 to 1 or more. Now in trading weeks like this, I suggest getting in and out, not really messing around. Uh, but I got a little bit more experience than say a beginner. And let me get this proper right here. Put our stop right there, and our take profit's gonna be at the swing high. Like I said, I think this thing is gonna push higher. I really do. I just don't think it's gonna do it on my timing. This would be a nice place to add if this was a low resistance trade. And it'll probably push up to somewhere. I want to say 19,678, possibly. But I just don't think it's going to do it on the timing that I have. It looks like we're going to get this candle close over the advanced market structure shift. And with a high resistance
Order
trade,
filled.
there we go. Trade hit. Nice. Could have added here. Might have been a great place. I think this is going to push higher. Looks like it is. We can break down the trade. So 1020 to 1040 macro silver bullet hour. We get this inversion. Obviously our high time frame's bullish. If you look at the charts, we're pushing up, just doing it in a reluctant manner. We invert here at the macro silver bullet hour in the 1020 1040 macro. We get our entry here, and I would advise, there's a small little, if we zoom in, there's a small gap right here. Okay, so we get that inversion. That's where we enter in. We place our long right here. Okay, you could put your stop at the swing low, but if you do that, that's a lot of drawdown you got to deal with. If you do that, only use one micro, right? But we put our stop roughly below the inversion, and we aim for the swing high. I apologize, my husky is going crazy. That's a 5 to 5. Okay, now if you want to play it safe because it's that type of trading week, just aim for a 3 2 1 And that's a nice profit right there. It's 35 points. This offered me about 63 points and only risking about 12. Okay, now we don't get that candle body close over the advanced market structure shift. That's why I said just take profit at the swing high on a high resistance trade like this. It will push higher, but the good news is it might offer us another opportunity if we swing back down to come back up and push higher. But like I said, it's all about the timing. You could have the right analysis, but if the timing is not there, it really doesn't matter. Stop, like I said, can be at the swing low if you're just new and you're fresh. Put one micro on and just get used to seeing, getting the visuals, getting used to the execution of the trade, letting your trade breathe. And as you go on, you can learn to find that reliable place to put your stop. I put it at the bottom of this wick right here where the bullish fair value gap was. It may have been, sometimes you may need to put it at the beginning of the fair value gap, the first candle, which would have been right here at the low of it. Or you just have to find what works for you, right? I adjust it depending on what is given. There was a volume imbalance here, so I put mine at the low of this wick, okay, where the gap occurred. And like I said, high resistance, we take the swing high, but I'm not going to sit and hold because I know that we may pull back, may even sweep out this low. It's a possibility. But yeah, nice trade. It was nice trade for about 63 points. So it's HB, punch and profit. And if we get another trade, we'll break it down. Peace.